Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an e-scooter tire. First, gather your essential tools, including tire levers, a wrench, and a new tire. Always ensure your scooter is powered off and securely stable before you begin any work. Next, completely deflate the old tire. This crucial step makes the removal process significantly easier and safer for you. Let's get started. Now let's remove that old tire. Begin by using your wrench to carefully loosen the axle nuts on both sides of the wheel. Once the nuts are loose, gently remove the entire wheel from the scooter's frame, being mindful of any cables. Then, with your tire levers, carefully pry the old tire off the rim, working your way around until it's completely free. Take your time here to avoid damaging the rim. With the old tire off, it's time for the new one. First, thoroughly inspect the rim for any damage or lingering debris that could affect the new tire. Next, carefully mount one side of the new tire onto the rim, ensuring it sits properly. Then, using your tire levers, gently work the second bead of the tire onto the rim, being careful not to pinch the inner tube if you have one. A little lubricant can help. Almost done. Now, inflate your new tire to the manufacturer's recommended pressure, usually found on the tire's sidewall. Carefully reattach the wheel to the scooter frame, ensuring the axle nuts are tightened securely. Double-check that all cables are properly connected and not pinched. Finally, give the wheel a spin to check its rotation and test your brakes to ensure everything is functioning perfectly before your next ride. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.